You can also add 1 to 2 drops of this cumin oil on the bottoms of your feet with a fractionated coconut oil to address your body systems. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the benefits and uses of the doTERRA Cumin Essential Oil. Cumin oil is a powerful essential oil that can be used for bodily health and for cooking. Just as ground cumin is most commonly known for its prominent place on the kitchen spice rack, cumin oil is equally as notable for its culinary contribution. In fact, cumin was used anciently with the use of seeds dating back to 2000 BC. Cumin essential oil blends really well with cilantro and coriander essential oils for diffusion, or you can add them in recipes as well. The cumin plant is an annual herb and is small and slender. Its leaves are separated into multiple thread-like sections and are up to 5 centimeters in length. The small white or pink flowers of the plant are borne in umbels with thread-like bracts. The plant also grows fruit that is grayish-green to dark gray in color and around 4 to 8 millimeters in length. The top 3 common uses for doTERRA cumin essential oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits are that it relieves digestive discomfort, flavors food, and purifies your body systems. The directions for use are substituting 1 drop of this oil per 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground cumin in chili, fajita, or curry recipes. You can also add 1 to 2 drops in a veggie capsule to support your digestive health, and I have that right here. And so this is from doTERRA, and all you do is you just open up the bottle, then you place 1 to 2 drops of the cumin oil, and so close the cap, and then take it with food and water for best results. You can also add 1 to 2 drops of this cumin oil on the bottoms of your feet with a fractionated coconut oil to address your body systems. And I choose the doTERRA fractionated coconut oil because it's a great carrier oil that helps reduce the concentration of the essential oil, but also helps the essential oil absorb better into your skin and cover a larger surface area. It's also non-greasy and really easy to apply. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below to continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.